In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily add accent marks to your letters when working in Microsoft Word. This is perfect for anyone needing to type in multiple languages or wanting to add a little flair to their writing with accented characters. So let's dive right in and get started with this simple yet effective process. First, we need to access the Microsoft Word document where you want to apply those accent marks. So go ahead and open up Word and ensure that the document you need to work on is ready to go. If you haven't created a new document yet, it's a great time to do so. Once your document is open, move your cursor to the spot where you'd like to insert the accented character. Now here's where the magic happens. To add an accent mark, you'll use a combination of the Control key and a quotation mark. On your keyboard, press and hold down the Control key and then tap the quotation mark key. This key might share a space with your semicolon, depending on your keyboard layout, so keep an eye out for that. Once you've pressed these keys, let them go and then type the letter you want to accent. For this demonstration, let's try it with vowels like A, E, I, O, and U. After typing Control and the quotation key, pressing any of these vowels will automatically render them with an accent. So if you're trying to write A, you'd press Control plus quotation mark, release both, and then tap E. It's as simple as that. This method is a straightforward way to add accent marks without having to navigate through menus or remember complex codes. It's especially beneficial when you're typing documents in languages like French, Spanish, or Portuguese, where accented characters are frequently used. Knowing this shortcut can save you a lot of time and effort, making your word processing more efficient. And there you have it. With just a few keystrokes, you can instantly add professional-looking accent marks to your documents. Now that you've mastered this simple technique, you can apply it as needed to enhance your writing. Just think about how this little trick can open up new possibilities for your documents, making them not only more accurate, but also more visually appealing. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now ready to add accents like a pro in Microsoft Word. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks, and feel free to drop any questions in the comments if you need further clarification. Thanks for watching, and happy word processing.